You can enter in a lot of different search terms into this box to find what you're looking for. For example, I could type in Pizza San Francisco, California, click on Get Map, and a map will pop open with pizza restaurants located all over the city. You can double-click on the map to zoom in, or use this slider over here. All of the pins represent pizza places. Hover over them to see the name, and click on them to view more information, read reviews. You can find a link to the website if available, and immediately get directions to here. Just enter in where you're starting, and if you're signed in, you can select one of your frequently used addresses. Click on Submit, and here are my directions. You can use this search box by entering in an exact address, intersections, places of interest, and more ways which are listed on this menu. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in the Exploring the New MapQuest series.